Invoices can be honored partially if a school allows it. This allows parents to partially pay a fee until they completely honor the amount of the invoice. Accept the invoice and input the amount you paid. Upload the proof of payment and write a summary of the payment. Here, you can inform the school that you only made a partial payment. Send the receipt once you're done with this stage. The invoice will bear a processing status until verified by the school. Once the receipt has been verified by the school, the status of the invoice changes to partial payment, and the balance can be seen to be positive, indicating that the parent still owes the school. This invoice remains active until it is fully honored, and the owing balance returns to zero or negative in the case of an overpayment.